Hi children, good morning all of you. Welcome to the maths class. Today I am going to take part 4 of our chapter 7. What is our chapter 7? Yes, fractions. So in the previous class what we have discussed children? Very good. We have discussed about subtraction and addition of fractions. Shall we take one example for subtraction children? Yes. Then take exercise number 7.4 from page number 158. Debit I am taking here. Yes. What is a debit? 7 3 by 10 minus 2 1 by 5. Okay children. Subtraction we have to take. First tell me children, what kind of fractions are these? Very good. These are mixed fractions. So first convert these mixed fractions to improper fractions. Then take the subtraction. Yes children? So 7 3 by 10 becomes how much children? This is a mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? It is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. Yes, now convert this one into improper fraction. So how to convert 7 into 10? Simple technique already I told you. Here take multiplication and take addition. So 7 into 10 plus 3 divided by 10. Okay children, 7 10 ja, how much? 70 plus 3 by 10. 70 plus 3 how much? Yes, very good. 73 by 10. So 7 3 by 10 becomes how much? 73 by 10. Now coming to the second fraction, what is your second fraction? Yes, 2 1 by 5. Yeah, convert this one also into improper fraction. Yes, here take multiplication 2 into 5 plus 1. So denominator is 5. 2 5s are how much children? Yes, 10 plus 1 by 5. So what is the final answer? 10 plus 1 is 11. By 5. So 2 1 by 5 becomes 11 by 5. Now take these are the unlike fractions. Now take subtraction. So what is first fraction? 73 by 10 minus 11 minus 5. So first, okay, we have to find out the LCM for the denominators. So what are denominators? 10 comma 5. Okay children? Yes. So it is 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Okay, 2 1s are 2, bring down 1. So what is the LCM here? LCM is equal to 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Okay children? Yes. Now what happens? 73 by 10. No need to change because the LCM is 10. So we have to change only the second fraction, that is 11 by 5. Yes. So 5 should be multiplied by what number to get denominator as 10 children? Yes, 2. So 5 into 2, 11 into 2. So denominator and numerator should be multiplied by the same number. Up and down we have to take the same number. So its value will not be changed. 5 2s are how much? 10. 11 2s are how much children? Very good. 22. Now take what is 11 by 5 value? 22 by 10. So minus 22 by 10. Okay children, now denominators are same. Means these are the like fractions now because the denominators are same. Now take the common denominator and take subtraction. 73 minus 22. How much? Yes, I am taking here 73 minus 22. 51. 51 by 10 is the answer. So this is the final form of the fraction. Furtherly we can't simplify it. So in this way we will take the subtraction of fractions. Note it down, children. So what is the answer? 51 by 10. So first these are the mixed fractions. Convert those into improper fractions. Okay. Improper fractions. Now these are the unlike fractions at the same time. So make them to like fractions. How? By taking the LCM of the denominators. So what are the denominators here? Yes. What are the denominators? 10 and 5. Take the LCM for 10 and 5. So LCM is 10. Now, no need to change the first fraction because the denominator is 10. Take the second fraction. So, 5. What is the denominator here? 5. 5 should be multiplied by 2 to get the denominator as 10. Up and down we have to take the same number. So finally we will get 22 by 10. Now take the subtraction. 73 by 10 minus 22 by 10 is equal to, take the common denominator and just subtract the numerators. 73 minus 22, how much, children? Yes, 51 by 10 is the answer. Note it down, children. Yes. Fraction of a collection. Fraction of a collection. Next concept is fraction of a collection. Yes, what is the collection, children? Collection means taking some objects together. Okay, more objects we can observe there. Suppose here I have one basket. It has some apples. This basket has some apples. So this is collection of apples. Collection of apples. Now I have here 8 pens. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many pens are there here? There are 8 pens. So here it is nothing but collection of pens. Pens collection. Collection of pens. Okay, collection of pens. Now what I am going to do is, total 8 pens are there. So here they are asking you one question, that is, what is 1 by 4 of 8 pens? Suppose they are asking you what is 1 by 4 of 8 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pens are there. 1 by 4 of 8 pens. Collection of pens. Okay, 1 by 4 of 8 pens means 8 pens. So should be divided into 4 groups first. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each divided into 4 groups and share them. Sharing means nothing but division. Okay, children. So here each group got how many pens, children? 2 pens. So take 4 equal groups and each group got 2 pens. So here equally shared means nothing but division. So what we have to do? This is nothing but 8 divided by 4. What is the answer? 2. 8 divided by 4, what is the answer? 4 2s are 8. So this is collection of pens, nothing but we are taking the division. What is 1 by 4 part of 8 pens? Out of 8, what is 1 by 4 part means 2 pens. 1 by 4 means 2. Note it down, children. Yes. Now take some exercise problems. From exercise number 7.5, page number 159. Okay, first one, find the fraction of collection. Okay, first heading, find the fraction of a collection. A bit 1 by 12 of 24. What is the answer? 1 by 12 of 24. Yeah, what I said, children, what we have to do? Just simply we have to take the division here. What is the answer? 24 divided by 12. What is the answer? 12 table, when do you get 24? Yes, 12 2s are 24. So 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. Otherwise you can do like this also. 1 by 2 of means into 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are 24. Sorry, should not take like that. Yes, otherwise you can take like this. What is this? 1 by 12 half means into 24. 12 1s are 2, 12 1s are 1, 12 2s are 24. So 2 is the answer. So either like this or in this way also we can take. Okay children, it is 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2, or 1 by 12 half means into 24. So what is the answer? 2 is the answer, but finally we will get the same answer. Yes, note it down, children. Yes. Next problem. Shall I rub the board, children? Yes. B problem. 1 by 5 of 35. 1 by 5 of 35. So what I said, just we have to take the division. 35 divided by 5. What is the answer? Yes, 5 table, when do you get 35, children? 5 7s are 35. Okay, what is the answer? 7. 7 is the answer. Or else, what is another method? 1 by 5 half means into 35. Yes, directly I am cancelling 5 table in 5 table. 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. So cut and write up 7. 5, here write down 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. So 1 into 7, what is the answer? 1 into 7 is equal to 7. So in this way we will take, children. I hope you understood. Yes. So here next concept is multiplication of fractions. Shall we do, children? Yes, note it down. Multiplication of fractions. Next heading. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. So here for example, mm, 1 by 5 into 4. What is the answer? Just simply make it as 1. Here there is no number. By 1 also we can write. So it is 1 into 4 by 5 into 1. 1 into 4 how much children? 4. 5 1s are 5. 4 by 5 is the answer. So this is multiplication. 1 by 5 into 4 by 1 is equal to 1 into 4, multiply the numerators by multiply the denominators, 5 into 1. 4 by 5 is the answer. In this way we will take multiplication. Now I am going to take our exercise problems children on multiplication of fractions. From same exercise, so the second bit. Solve the following. A bit 4 by 6 into 12. So take the multiplication here. Directly I am cancelling here. So take the 6 table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are how much children? Yes. So 6 1s are 6. We know that 6 2s are 12. So cancel it and write up to 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So what is the answer? 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 is the answer. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So remaining numbers are 4 2. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are. Okay. Up and down only we can cancel. Okay. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8 is the answer. Next bit. B bit. Take B bit. 8 by 3 into 24. Yes. 3 and 24. In 3 table, when do you get 24 children? Very good. 3 8s are 24. So 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. So 8 into 8. How much children? 8 8s are 64 is the answer. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 8 into 8. 8 8s are how much children? 64 is the answer. 8 by 3 into 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. So what are the remaining numbers here? Yes. 8 into 8 is equal to 64 is the answer. Note it down children. So here it is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. This is, yes or no, it is a fraction, it is a whole number. 4 by 6 is a fraction, but 12 is a whole number. Next. .6 from page number 160. Okay. Multiply the following fractions and reduce the answer to its simplest form. 1 by 3 into 2 by 10. Okay children? Yes. So here multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. 1 by 3 into 2 by 10. Then, so 1 into 2. So how I am going to do, children? 2 and 10. We can simplify it in 2 table. So how many times 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Now it is 1 into 1 by 3 into 5. 3 into 5. What is the answer? 1 by 15 is the answer. 1 by 3 into 2 by 10. So here I am cancelling in 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 1 into 1 by 3 into 5, 1 by 15 is the answer. Two by 5 into 4 by 9. What is the answer? Next. 2 by 5 into 4 by 9. What is the answer? Yes. We can't simplify. Cancellation we can't take. So directly 2 into 4 by 5 into 9. 2 4s are 8 by 5 9s are how much, children? 45. Furtherly we can't simplify it. We can't take the simplest form. This is the simplest form of this fraction. Not possible. Cancellation here. So directly multiply the numerators and denominators. 2 4s are 8, 5 9s are 45. 8 by 45. Okay. Is the simplest form. Final form. We can't simplify it. Yes, children, note it down. Next, one more example I want to take. Yes. Next, H bit. 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Okay. 2. Okay, children, this is a mixed fraction. First convert this into improper fraction. So what is 2 by 3 value? So here take multiplication and here take addition. 2 3s are 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3. Okay, children, 2 3s are how much? 6. 6 plus 2 by 3. 8 by 3 is the answer. So 2 by 3 means 8 by 3. What? So now multiply. What is 2 by 3 value? Yes, 8 by 3 into 3 by 5. Now see, same numbers up and down you can cancel. 3 1s are 3 1s are. So what is the final answer? 8 into 1 by 1 into 5. 8 by 5 is the answer. Shall we check again? Yes. It is the mixed fraction. Convert this one into proper fraction. 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 by 3. 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 into 3 by 5 is equal to 3 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So it becomes 8 into 1 by 1 into 5. 8 by 5 is the answer. Next I am taking one more bit, I bit. Yes. I bit 3 by 11 into 2 by 6. Yes. 3 into 2 how much, children? 3 2s are 6. And 11 into 6 how much? 11 6 are 66. Okay. Finally in 6 table I am cancelling. 6 1s are 6, 6 11s are. So what is the answer? 1 by 11 is the answer. Yes. 6 1s are 6. 6 11s are 66. 3 2s are 6. 11 into 6. 66. 1 by 11 is the answer. Note it down, children. Next 5 by 6 into 3 1 by 10. What is the answer? 5 by 6 into 3 10. 3 1 by 10 becomes how much? Here take into here take, plus 3 tens are 30 plus 1 by 10. It is 31 by 10. So 3 1 by 10 becomes how much children? Yes, 31 by 10. Now 5 table I am cancelling here, see. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are. So it becomes 1 into 31, 1 into 31 by 6 into 2. So what is the answer? 31 by 12. 31 by 12 is the answer. So 5 by 6 into 3 1 by 10. What is the answer? 3 1 by 10. 3 tens are 30 plus 1 by 10. 31 by 10. 5 by 6 into 31 by 10 is equal to 5 table. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 1 into 31 by 6 into 2. 31 by 12 is the answer. Furtherly, we can't simplify it. It is the finalist form. Note it down, children. Next concept is a division of a fraction. Division of a fraction. Or division of fractions. Okay, shall we see, children? Yes. So from exercise number, directly I am taking from exercise number 7.7, first one. Divide the following. A bit 20 divided by 5 by 10. So here divided by means division we are taking. 20 becomes 20 by 1 divided by 5 by 10. So these are the two fractions. What we have to do? Take the first fraction as it is, and first fraction should be multiplied with the second fraction, with the reciprocal of the second fraction. So what is reciprocal? Reciprocal of 5 by 10 is reverse now. Reciprocal means reverse we have to take. So here reciprocal of 5 by 10 is 10 by 5. Reverse. So write down 10 by 5. Okay, children? Yes, now 5 table division. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. What is this? It becomes 20 into 2 by 1 into 1. 22s are how much, children? 40 by 1. Means 40 is the answer. Okay, children, shall we check? So 20 divided by 5 by 10. 20 becomes 20 by 1 and it is 5 by 10. So as it is, write down the first fraction, and first fraction should be multiplied with the reciprocal of the second fraction. Yes, children? Yes. What is the second fraction here? 5 by 10. What is the reciprocal of 5 by 10 here? Yes, 10 by 5. 20 by 1 into 10 by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 20 into 2 by 1 into 1. 20 2s are 40 by 1 is equal to 40 is the answer. Note it down, children. Next, I want to take another example also. B-bit 3 by 15 divided by 2. 2 is a whole number here, make it as fraction by taking 1 as denominator. 2 means 2 by 1 you can write. Okay, next step I will write like that. So what is the answer? 3 by 15 divided by 2 by 1. What I said, as it is, write down the first given fraction. What is first given fraction? 3 by 15. And multiply that one with reciprocal of the second fraction. What is the second fraction? 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is equal to how much? Reverse. Reciprocal means reverse we have to take. It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. What is the answer? 3 into 1 by 15 into 2. 3 ones are 3. 15 twos are 30. 3 ones are 3. 3 tens are 30. 1 by 10 is the answer. Okay children? 3 by 15 into, take the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is, what is reciprocal of second fraction? 1 by 2. It is 2 by 1. Reciprocal means take reverse. 1 by 2. So finally 3 into 1 by 15 into 2. So 3 ones are 3, 15 twos are 30. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So 1 by 10 is the answer. Note it down children. Next, C bit I want to take. Forty-five divided by 5 by 9. 45 divided by 5 by 9. So it is a whole number. This is the fraction. So make it as fraction first. 45 by 1 divided by 1 also we can write. 45 by 1 divided by 5 by 9. Okay. Now the first fraction take as it is, and this should be multiplied with the reciprocal of the second fraction. So what is reciprocal of 5 by 9? It is 9 by 5. 9 by 5. Okay. 45 by 1 into 9 by 5. Cancellation I am taking here. 5 ones are 5. 5 nines are. So 9 into 9. 9 into 9. Numerator part is, here 9 is there, here 9 is there. So 9 into 9. What are the denominator part? What is the denominator part? 2 ones are there. 1 into 1. So 9 nines are how much? 9 nines are 81 by 1. Means 81 is the answer. Note it down children. I want to take word problem children here from textbook. Page number 162. I want to take word problem. Yes. There are 117 milligrams of cholesterol in 13 by 3 cups of milk. How much cholesterol is in 1 cup of milk? Okay children, there are 117 milligrams of cholesterol in 13 by 3 cups of milk. How much cholesterol is in 1 cup of milk? Okay children, so what is the given question here? In 13 by 3 cups of milk, how much? 13 by 3 cups of milk, how much cholesterol is present? 117 milligrams. Mg means milligrams. So in 1 cup, how much is present? What we have to do? Yes, asking for 1 means we have to take the division. So what are the solution? So statement, what is the statement? First statement from first sentence. Cholesterol present in 13 by 3 cups. Yes, cholesterol present in cholesterol present in 13/3 cups. How much children? 117 milligrams. 117 milligrams. Then find out cholesterol present in 1 cup of milk. So here also write down 13/3 cup of milks. 3 cups of milk is equal to how much? 117 milligrams. Okay. Cholesterol present in 13/3 cups of milk is equal to how much children? 117 milligrams. Cholesterol present in 1 cup of milk is equal to how much? What we have to do? We have to take the division to get the answer. So what we have to do? Take the division, that is 117 divided by 13/3. Okay. Yes, 117 divided by 13/3. So here also write down 1. 2 fractions. Division how to take? Yes, what I told. Write down the first fraction as it is, and it should be multiplied with the reciprocal of the second fraction. 3/13. Now 13 table. 13 nines are how much? 117. So 13 ones are 13, 13 nines are 117. 13 nines are 117. So 13 ones are 13, 13 nines are 117. So 9 into 3/1 into 1. 9 threes are 27. 27/1 is equal to 27 milligrams. Okay children, by 1 means it is 27 only. So final answer write down. Therefore cholesterol, 27 milligrams of cholesterol is present in 1 cup of milk. 27 milligrams of cholesterol is present in 1 cup of milk. Okay children, note it down. Yes, so here it ends children. I will send you the notes for this chapter. Okay children, thank you children, bye.